Hey, this is Kane Frost, and this is my book, Chill, Relax, and Car Flip. In this book, I detail how to flip cars successfully. I've been doing this for a very long time. It's now available for sale. The video you're about to watch is me finishing cars from start to finish. I hope you enjoy. All right, so this is the third stop. This is the body, actually this is the mechanic shop, not a body shop. I have this 2015 Charger. And this one I bought it with some engine issues, so I got it here at the mechanic. And pretty much, I think it has a thrown rod on the bottom. There's a hole in the oil pan. So we're gonna try to figure out how much that's gonna cost. Maybe, I don't know, maybe about 800 bucks or something. So we'll see. I'm gonna talk to one of the guys over here, see what they say. Alright, so this is the 2015 Charger that had that motor disassembled and ended up being two piston rods that were bad, so they had to replace those, which ended up costing me about 1,500 bucks. New motors, or even used motors on these things with about 80,000 miles and up, they run you about 1,800 all the way up to about $3,000. So 1,500 plus you got to get it removed and all that stuff, another 500. So for 1,500, that was actually a pretty good deal. And I'm at the paint shop, and I could have left it white, but white's a lot of commons, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint it black. And what I did do is went ahead and spray painted the door jambs, because they will charge about 300 to 400 bucks. So I just painted the door jambs like that, all black. And I just did the flat black paint. Painted all like the trunk down there, just because when they paint it, they don't ever raise the trunk up. So I paint down there on the bumper, painted all the gas door, like I said, all the doors and stuff. And then even under, and that's all that stuff used to be white. So, and all underneath the hood, put all inside the inside fenders, underneath the hood, anywhere where I do this before, because it's all gonna be a black car and I don't want to have to tape all that down, mask it off, just to paint it once it's done. So now once it gets painted black, the exterior, all the other parts will be all ready to go. So it's been out here for 4 days right now, and they said they're going to get to it here in about 3 more days. So I have to come back, check it out, and update it on how it looks when it's all going to be like the shiny gloss black. It's going to look really cool. It's going to be really shiny, brand new. And with this front bumper like this, and with that spotlight, I think it's going to definitely sell pretty fast. All right, so let's update it here in a few days, and let's see how the outcome comes. All right, so I'm picking up the 2015 Charger painted all black. It's my first time looking at it, so thought I'd put it on camera. I haven't gotten the wheels done. I was just kind of messing around with the wheels on that side. And it looks like they forgot to put the front push bumper on. So it looks pretty good. Got to get in the sun and more of the daylight than now to actually see the really good of the paint job, but it looks pretty good the way it came out. With the door jambs and stuff. That's pretty good. I didn't even take none of that off when I sprayed everything. I just covered this right there with the tape, and then I just sprayed everything. Spray paint with the flat black spray paint. So it came out pretty good. It's gonna sell real nice. Just gotta make sure I find the push bumper before I leave. So yeah. I'll do another video when I get it in the sun. Kind of see how it looks. But for right now, worth 500 bucks. All right, so this is the final update after it's been polished and all cleaned up, finished off all the wheels and stuff. This is that 2015 Charger that was all white, had the sheriff's logo on it. And then I took it up to Mako and then got it all painted. So this is how the outcome is right now. And like I said, it was all white. I mean, it still would have sold, but the black just sells a lot faster. And I think I did a pretty good job as far as for doing all the door trims. Yeah, I didn't even mask nothing off. I just kind of taped off that little, the VIN number stuff, but everything else I just hit the flat black on it and didn't tape nothing off. And it came out really good. See there? That's all flat black, not masked off, just painted it. And that's like, if you saw it, the other video with the, well, actually in this video, from Mako, the overspray was from that painting all the interior stuff. Pop the hood on it. I'll show you the hood. See there? That's all the flat black. Just hit the hood, hit all the stuff on like the engine bay stuff. You know, I didn't really get all the way in there. You can see the white, but just hit all the important parts. So that way, when somebody comes and buys it, pretty much like an all original black car with all the interior door jambs in the trunk, underneath the trunk area, the gas tank and all that stuff. So, you know, make it look all black. But anyways, this is the final outcome on it. And I got a lot of money into this car just because of I thought the engine problem was going to be a little bit lighter than what it was. So that kind of set me back about an extra $800 or $900 than what I was going to make. But I'm still going to make at least 3 off of it. You know, I wanted to make about 4, but at 3, so 3 is pretty good. Oh yeah, this is the interior also. Let's do a quick little recap of the interior, how that looks, the seats and all that stuff. All good, clean. All right, so this is it on this one. This wraps it up. 2015 Charger. And it's on to the next one. I think I got an Explorer coming up, so yeah, that'll be interesting. All right, take it easy.